Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you some of the easiest ways to make money online this year. The first one on my list here is freelancing. Yes, so guys, we're going to dive into freelancing, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online, and let's just get started. Now, here are the top freelancing platforms to sign up. The first one on my list here is upwork.com. Yes, so you can go on upwork.com and list all your services that, things that you are highly proficient in, and start to make money from today. The next website on my list here is fiverr.com. Yes, just like Upwork, you can also enlist all the services that you have, that you can offer on fiverr.com and start to make money from the comfort of your home. Now, guys, the next website on my list here is Freelancer. Guys, this site connects you with the clients that are looking for your skills. Yes, in demand skills. And some of the hottest freelancing skills include web development. If you're really good with web development, hey guys, graphic design, writing, and of course digital marketing. Even me, I'm hiring digital marketers. Yes, if you're a digital marketer, let me know in the comments and I will reach out to you. What you need to do is to create your profile and build your profile. So go ahead and create a strong profile with a professional photo, your detailed bio, and portfolio of your work. Go ahead and highlight your skills and your experience, and here are some tips for getting started. So what you need to do is to start with lower priced gigs to build your reputation. Please always communicate clearly with your clients and deliver high quality work on time. So whether you're interested in freelancing, affiliate marketing, online surveys, selling digital products, or dropshipping, the key to success is taking action. Don't wait any longer. What you need to do is to explore the easiest ways to make money and start your journey towards a brighter financial future. Another way to make money is through affiliate marketing. Guys, affiliate marketing is a process where you earn a commission by promoting other people's products, and it's a great way to make passive income. In case you are wondering what is quick money, when we talk about making money online quickly, it is also important to understand that quick can be relative, and in most cases you start to see results or your income within a few weeks to a couple of months, rather than as compared to the 9-to-5 jobs where you have to wait for your bi-weekly paycheck. And the beauty of online income streams is that many of them can scale over time, potentially leading to significant earnings. Now, I also need you guys to set realistic expectations. It is possible to make money online quickly, and it's also important to manage your expectations, because quick money doesn't mean you don't have to work hard. You have to. The most successful online earners are people who have dedicated their time and effort to their chosen method. And please, there's one thing that you cannot do without in all of this. It is consistency and persistence. Guys, making money online offers unparalleled benefits, which includes flexibility, low startup costs, diverse income streams, and of course scalability. And there are so many methods to choose from. Yes, and there is a done-for-you system that stands out as one of the easiest ways to make money online. And you can leverage on the power of automation. Yes, proven strategies and comprehensive support, and you can achieve financial freedom real quickly and efficiently. And guys, another way to make money online is through online tutoring and teaching. Do you know you can teach English language online, or even other languages? If you have expertise in a particular subject matter, guys, it's a rewarding way to make money quickly online. And there are so many websites, there are so many platforms that can help you make this possible. So guys, one of the platforms on my list is gotranscript.com. Yes, you can make money online even as a transcriptionist. You can transcribe videos to audios and make money. Yes, you can make up to $1,000 US. Yes, go to gotranscript.com. Yes, you can work as a freelance transcription service provider, and start to make money. Another way to make money is to go to freecash.com. Do you know that you can get paid for testing apps, games, and surveys? Yes, you can get paid as much as $30 per task, on these websites. Another one here is rewordy.io. Yes, you can earn money listening to music, installing apps, and so much more. Guys, on this channel I've always got you guys covered. Another way to make money is to go through Swagbox. Yes, you can complete online surveys and earn money. Yes, you even get a $10 welcome bonus. Yes, the moment you install swagbox.com. Yes, and you get paid through PayPal or even Amazon gift card. Another way to also get money is to use jumptask.com. See guys, you can earn money by completing various tasks like playing games, surveys, app installation, and what have you. And there's something, I can never overemphasize this fact. It is consistency. You have to be consistent and ready to work. You have to be consistent and ready to work. There's a particular guy that has been trying to work for me for a while. He has good attitude. That's something I will not take away from him. He has very good attitude, but he's very slow. I mean, he doesn't deliver on his job at all. At all. When you give him 10 things to do, he does one, and he does that one within a very long time. Like, you have to keep asking and following up and micromanaging him like a child. This is something you need to just work on yourself before you think of going into making money online. You need to work on yourself. I mean, even if it means you working for people for free, just to test if you really have the stamina, if you have the resilience to work with other people, or if you are responsible enough. You need to be responsible to be able to really make money online. It is not for kids. Yes, making money online is not for people who are not mature. You have to be mature enough to be able to deliver, even without being micromanaged, even without being told, because now there's no boss in question. I mean, not like the traditional office space where you have your boss constantly asking you, how far with the job I give you in the morning, how far with your project, what are you working on right now, what's your target, what's your this, no one is bounding you for your KPIs. You set your KPIs yourself. You set your key performance indicators yourself, and you track your own progress by yourself. And of course, your clients definitely, because it's gonna show in your reviews. So whether you're a responsible freelancer or an online service provider, it's all up to you. So you have to learn how to maintain, how to have that good work ethic. A lot of people do not have good work ethic, and I have worked with people over time, and some people are teachable while some are just something else. The moment I find out I have to keep hounding you, I will just let you go. I'm gonna just let you go. Like, I can't deal again. I mean, I have a lot on my plate. I mean, and that's the way you should look at other entrepreneurs. Try to make sure that you alleviate their work, their job. Don't make life more miserable and stressful for them by ghosting off when they give you work to do. Even if you want to go, even if you want to, quit on the job, because you might need a reference from your previous employer. So you always don't burn the bridges. Yes, don't ever burn bridges. So what you need to do is be upfront, be straightforward, be truthful. If you're not going to be able to deliver in due course, in due time, let them know. Always communicate. Don't just ghost off. A lot of these people just ghost off, they disappear. In fact, one of my assistants that was working with me a couple of months ago, she just worked for 9 days out of 30 days, and I was watching and hoping that she would make things happen. I paid her for 9 days. I paid her for 9 days of work. Yes, I prorated it. Don't forget, I studied economics. With figures, I am number one when it comes to figures. Yes, my maths is something else. I paid her for 9 days. I didn't say anything. I didn't discuss. I didn't complain. I don't have that kind of time. I only paid her for 9 days of work, and she got the message. And the very following month, she sat up again, and she was really doing her job diligently. So please, some people will not even give her a second chance. Some people will just ask her to go, because she has displayed a kind of this level of unseriousness. Communication is very key. Even if you were sick, even if you had you had some circumstances that were that were beyond your control, let your employer know. Let your clients always know. Please, you need to develop good work ethics. You need to be consistent. You need to be serious. You need to be ready. You need to be self-driven if you really want to make money in the world, in this online world. Yes, always communicate clearly with your clients and deliver high quality work on time. Yes, so guys, let me know in the comments. That is it for today. If you've enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe in case you have not. And let me know in the comments what freelancing tips that you want to hear next on my video. And I hope this video has been a blessing to you. If you have any question for me, let me know in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to respond to you. Do not forget, I am doing a giveaway in today's video. Find the link. Like I said, I've just launched my Telegram channel. So all you need to do is to head over to the link in my description and my comments and add 20 to 50 of your friends. Add up to 50 or even more people, yes, in your community. Add them to the Telegram community. Then come back to this video and comment how many people you have successfully added into the Telegram group. If you lie, then you will be automatically disqualified. If you do not lie and I verify and I select you, like I said, it's going to be a random selection and it's for a period of time. So please hurry up, add your people so that you make money today. I'm going to request for your bank details. Once I verify the figure and I select you, then I will request your bank details and I will credit you with some money. And that is it, guys, for today. In case someone has told you today, I want to be the first to tell you that you're amazing, you're super gorgeous, and I am super duper proud of you. All right, guys, take care of yourselves and go to exploits, and I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys, and bye for now. I love you all. Bye, guys.